Oh, welcome back. I thought I'd make a quick video. This is a medicine cabinet that we replaced. The one that was in here was a built-in. Actually, it wasn't supposed to be a built-in, but it had been put into a wall, and it had seen better days. So we decided to get a new medicine cabinet, and we decided to take this next medicine cabinet and build it into the wall. And one thing we found out that when we got it is kind of like an IKEA thing. It came in a bunch of pieces and had to be put together, and it was purple. So figured, well, we'll just paint it later. So after I pulled the cabinet out, I noticed inside the wall it was double stud depth because of this vent that goes from the downstairs up to the roof. So I had to, because I wanted this cabinet to be to the left, I had to build a kind of a 2x4 frame inside it that it can attach to, and where I can attach drywall to. And unfortunately, I never made a video of that part, so I apologize for that, but it was fairly simple. I just built a 2x4 frame and basically just fastened it to the existing 2x4s that were in the wall, and just kind of put the drywall up from that point. So this was just a quick video on this medicine cabinet after I was done drywalling and spackling it and sanding it, and doing a second coat of spackle, just a skim coat, sanding it down. I spray painted the inside of the medicine cabinet white, and then I put the door on. I still have to paint the inside of the door white as well, but I just wanted to put it together and see how it would look. And so anyway, then we just caulked around the edges between the cabinet and the drywall, and kind of smoothed everything out. Wish it could have come out a little bit better, but I think it looks okay. So anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this gives you some ideas, and we'll see you on the next one.